for Crochet. With me, Helene, here in northeastern Washington State for our second annual Christmas in July Fairies giveaway created by Dana's Wanderlust Crochet. Link below where you can click on and see all the participating channels or fairies. And I'm going to show you the goodies that I have, tell you briefly how I'm going to work the giveaway from my channel. All right, so the goodies. How I'm going to do this is July 14th, I will be choosing one winner through the random comment picker. I have something for you here on my channel, and then your name will go into the grand prize drawing for a chance to win something from every single participating channel, and that will be drawn on July 25th on Dana's channel. So you need to be 18 years of age or older, be able to receive mail and prizes from the United States, void where prohibited by law, need to be a subscriber to my channel, give a thumbs up, leave a comment below, whatever you like. I will be choosing a winner through the random comment picker on the evening of July 14th. You have 72 hours, 3 days for me to hear from you from the time that video is posted. Otherwise, your goodies and your chance to enter from my channel into the grand prize will be forfeited, and I will pick someone else. So make sure you come back for that and see if you are the winner, and also come back and hope you'll hang around and stay, and I'll see you again for my future videos. And I have lots in my playlist also. I do tutorials. I have some written patterns in my Etsy shop below. So with my last giveaway, I did not hear from that person, unfortunately. So I still have my original signature Cabin Fever crochet tote bag, and it's 100% cotton canvas. It's very large, deep, wide, boxed bottom, zippered top, and zippered back wall pocket for the winner who I draw on my channel on July 14th, plus your choice of one of these two, and then the person who wins on July 25th, who receives something from every participating channel, will get the other one. And just to let you know that I still have available for sale, if you are interested, my updated, most recent version where I added additional elements, deer and trees and the sun in the background and so forth. And that is in my Etsy shop. So that is that. I wish the best to all of you. Good luck. Take care, stay well, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.